everyone, welcome back to justlaravel.com. I'm back with another video. Here in this video, it's not an actual video, here it's an announcement where I'm going to announce you something. If you see, I'm not very active in publishing videos lately in this channel, so I decided to make a series where I'll be updating a video every week. So what I decided is, if you see the channel, there are all individual videos like how to integrate PayPal, how to integrate Stripe, how to do search functionality, how to implement pagination and all individual things. But there is not a course from the scratch to the end on how to deal with things. So I decided to make a course on this YouTube channel for free. So I'm going to do the video every Friday 6 p.m. starting from February first week. I'll tell you about Laravel from scratch. I'll start from introduction and I'll tell you how to install Laravel. And I'll also tell you and I also explain directory structure, the routes, controllers, models, pagination, routing, and we'll go on with advanced concepts like scheduling, queues, jobs, and all such things. So remind the date from February, every Friday 6 p.m. I'm going to launch a new video on this channel. Hope you all will support me. See you in the course. Bye bye.